In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to create and organize subpages using the navigation panel in Squarespace. To begin, make sure you're on the home section of your Squarespace dashboard. Then, open the Pages panel and click the plus icon next to Main Navigation to add a new navigation item. Now choose the drop-down option to group several pages under a single menu. Next, select the gallery template if you'd like your drop-down to include a gallery-style page. Inside your new drop-down, add a new blank page, choose its template, and name the page accordingly to reflect its purpose. These will show as subpages in your navigation. Afterward, you can adjust your drop-down or add hidden pages if you don't want everything to appear in your main menu. Rename pages for clarity and to improve your site structure as you organize. If needed, return to the main website panel, add extra specialized pages like a team page, and update each page title so it matches your site's content and navigation goals. Switch between your pages in the sidebar to adjust the layout or content as needed, making sure each is organized correctly under its parent dropdown. You can also manage or remove pages as needed to keep your navigation structure organized and user-friendly. From here, select different subpages and use the site preview to see how your dropdown and its subpages appear in your site's navigation. Finally, select any page and click Edit to start customizing your new subpage's content and layout. You've now learned how to create and organize subpages in Squarespace.